Today I thought I'll show you how I make these sorts of videos. Currently, what I'm using to record the video is my iPhone 13 mini. For the audio, I'm using the DJI Mic 2 transmitter. Before, I've used the Bluetooth audio function where you're able to use this mic and it would send the audio to my phone and record using the Blackmagic app on the iPhone. It hasn't been great, to be honest, for that. I've had problems with things being out of sync. With things being out of sync, it makes me not want to use the mic in that particular way. It could be a bug with the app, or it could be a bug with the microphone, but what do you do? So what I do is I record all the audio onto the microphone, and the good thing is there's so much space on there. And then afterward, I sync up everything in post. So when it comes to making these videos, I try to be a wee bit organized. I put the audio from my mic in the audio folder. For the B-roll footage, I put it obviously in its own folder. For the iPhone footage, what I do is I airdrop the files to my computer and then just drop it into the footage folder. And then I've got the music for the videos. So once I've got everything in the right place, I would open up Final Cut Pro. And then I press Command I or press the Import Media button. And then I select the folders that I want to be, into my project. I select the clips. I right click and then I go to Synchronize Clips. So what will happen is I've got use audio for synchronization and also disable audio components on AV clips. And that just means that whenever I have the final file into my timeline, that the audio that was previously recorded using my iPhone won't be heard. And then I just click on OK. And then it does its thing of synchronizing. And that doesn't really take too long, to do this little part. But what happened now is it shows up that there's a synchronized clip. What I do is I drag that into my timeline. I highlight the track and then I select Loudness, increase the amount, and after that, that's pretty much it. So there's nothing really much more to it except for making my wee cuts here and there and wherever else I need to. Anyways, that's all from me, and I'll see you tomorrow.